Omission of articles. Article a, an, and the are omitted before names of substances and abstract nouns, that is, uncountable nouns used in a general sense. For example, she does not add sugar to her tea. Here, sugar is an uncountable noun. We were full of wisdom in his older years. In this sentence, wisdom is an abstract noun. Virtue is its own reward. In this sentence, virtue is an abstract noun. We omit articles before plural countable nouns used in a general sense. For example, animals can also be friendly. Children like chocolates. Both his dogs are adorable. Animals can also be friendly. Children like chocolates. Both his dogs are adorable. We omit articles before most proper nouns such as names of people, names of continents, countries, cities, and things, etc. For example, it was his wish to visit London once in his life. Here, London is the name of a city. India is the largest democracy in the world. In this sentence, India is a country. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. In this sentence, Mount Everest is a mountain peak. We omit articles. We omit articles before languages. For example, French is a tough language to master. English is taught all over the world. When we say English, it means the English language, but when we say the English, it means the English people. We omit articles before names of meals. It means breakfast, lunch, dinner, used in general sense. Dinner will be served shortly. What time do you have lunch? We had dosa for breakfast. We omit articles before the names of days, months, and seasons. For example, Monday is the first working day of the week. Spring is a season of great rejoicing. Our school is closed for winter vacation in December. We omit articles when common nouns such as man, woman, humanity, mankind are used in a very broad sense, then we can omit articles before. For example, man is mortal, woman is tender hearted, man is a social animal. For example, it was his wish to visit London once in his life. Here, London is the name of a city. India is the largest democracy in the world. In this sentence, India is. She is going to Mumbai by air. I travelled from Lucknow to Kanpur by train. We shall go there by bus. We learned about we can omit the article without affecting the structure or meaning of sentence before uncountable nouns, plural countable nouns, proper nouns, meals, and languages, etc.